Today, we are going to unbox and review the QCY MeloBuds N20. Unboxing experience. It's very basic stuff here. You're just getting the essentials: 2 extra sets of silicone ear tips, a short Type-C charging cable, the standard user manual, and the charging case with the buds inside. Just your bare minimum budget presentation. Moving on to the design. It's not bad overall, though I personally think it's a bit too flashy for my taste. This white model in particular really stands out, and not necessarily in a subtle way. It features a loud, chrome, shiny, silvery mirror finish right down the stems, paired with a very noticeable indicator light. If you like that sleek, futuristic, eye-catching look, you might love it, but for me, it's just a little too bright. Now, let's get into the main event, the sound. On paper, these boast massive 13mm dynamic drivers, which usually promises a big, full audio experience. But even though they have those 13mm drivers, I don't like the sound quality at all. To my ears, the tuning is just way too bright and piercing. I didn't just judge them out of the box. You can tweak the EQ, and the official app does come with quite a few different EQ presets to play around with. But even after spending some serious time digging into the settings and trying to patch it up, I still couldn't get a sound I liked. Don't get me wrong, it has plenty of bass. The low end punches hard enough, but the overall sound quality just sounds very bad to me. It feels incredibly processed and unnatural. It's almost like the brand is trying way too hard with aggressive software algorithms to make the hardware sound impressive, but it ends up feeling artificially sharpened and fatiguing. It's not all bad. On the positive side, the active noise cancellation actually handles ambient noise well, and the microphone quality for calls is surprisingly crisp. They nailed the utility features here. I'd say these are perfectly fine for general daily use, like taking phone calls, scrolling through TikTok, or listening to podcasts while commuting. But if you actually care about music, these are definitely not the ones.